In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to check your Instagram like history. Let's get started. First, launch your Instagram app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Head over to your profile page, then click on three bars. Once you're in settings and activity page, you're going to find out different section. Under how you use Instagram, you're going to find the option of your activity. Click on that. Now here you're going to find this option of likes. Click on that. You will be directed to this page where you're going to find out all the liked videos. If you want to unlike any of the video, you can open it, then press on the heart icon. With that, the video will be removed from this section. You can filter the likes by newest to oldest or oldest to newest. Likewise, using dates, using content type such as posts, reels and threads. And you can also use authors to filter your likes. So that's it. This way you can easily view your like history on Instagram. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.